Alright guys, welcome back. I'm doing a kitchen renovation. A little bit of upgrade. You can see there was a whole bunch of grease that scraped the wall. I put the grease remover and let's see this area. I'm scrubbing off all the grease before I start painting. See the difference? Alright, there's a big difference, guys. Need to finish right there a little bit, but you see the difference. I'm gonna change this and put the stainless steel here. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so I'm finally complete. It is finito, I'm finito. Alright guys, so welcome back. So I'm gonna just paint that wall right here for tonight. I'm tired. Paint's there, pan's there, roller brushes right there. I'm gonna paint right here. I'm gonna left the top for last. I'm gonna paint here, that side, and this side. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the first coat. Here, here, and here. Alright, so stay tuned. That's the first coat. Alright guys, so there you have it. I complete that side. I paint the running board white. Yeah, there you go. So now matches this color. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this side gray, but I think I'm gonna paint this side as well, and then two right there. So this side gonna be light, this side gonna be dark gray. All right, so yeah. Alright guys, so welcome back. So we're doing some painting. I finished painting here, all the way across there, and I did this curtain all the way up. So two different colors. I took the backsplash off and kind of ripped the, drywall, the putty of the drywall or the compound. So I'm going to get some. Fill that out, sand it off, and repaint it. Alright, so the paint is still there, and I'm gonna get rid of this table, guys, and put like a bar table with the bars tool here. Yeah, so when I finish cleaning up, I'm gonna do one next video. So this is the after. Let me know what you think. And this is the cupboard. It's finally done. I'm going to build the one on top now. Well, I'm actually building that now. I had both sides and I cut some templates out So these are the templates to go to the bottom. So these, you know, go through the pipe and then it'll be flush to the wall. Alright, so these are the templates, one top and one bottom. Alright, so there's one behind there. This is the other one. Alright, so cut it out with cardboard, which is a lot easier. Then I'm going to do it on the plyboard. Alright, stay tuned for that. Yeah. So when I'm finished cleaning, I'll do another video. Alright, like, share, comment, subscribe. Okay guys, I'm finished for the night. Cleaned up a little bit. The stove's gonna stay till tomorrow. It's gonna dirty, but from the wall. But I'm gonna clean the stove tomorrow. Yeah, and the cabinet gonna be installed right here. Yeah, so small kitchen renovation, guys. Alright, like, share, comment, subscribe. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel Big Ticket TV. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button, like, share, comment, subscribe. As you can see, kitchen is currently a mess. Got my battery charging, all my tools out, because I'm installing this small over the top cupboard. Yeah, so this one I recently made. I had to cut out the grooves for the pipe. I ran into a bit of difficulties, guys, so by myself couldn't find a tripod. Well, yeah, so I screwed most of it up. Run downstairs to get me some screws. Hopefully these ones are not too long because it's actually brick behind this wall. Yeah, so I must give you the final step when I'm actually almost about to wrap this up. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll do it with one hand out. Alright. And there's one to right, but there was the actual hole there. These are drywall screws, and I'm going to see if I can put a couple more here, and then I have to paint over the screw holes. Alright, so that seems to be sturdy, and I already put one here and one there, just to hold it securely. Alright, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the level on it to see if it's level. There you go. I'm gonna go extreme on the top. There you go guys, so it's level. Alright. Alright. Zoom in on this one. Alright, there you have it. Alright, so I am going to put the door on. Alright, so I just brought the door inside, whole bunch of stuff in the kitchen. Unpacking, like I packed it yesterday. This is the top shelf, which I got to cut on our door. Alright, so let me cut this real quick. Give me a second, guys. 1 second. Alright, welcome back. So I'm gonna open the door here. When you're by yourself and you have no help, it's gonna make everything a bit difficult. Alright, so it's a whole mess right now. Alright, so this is the door. And I got this soft close. There's the motor right here. And right there. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how to hook it up, guys. So this, you put it straight, pull it out, and then you slide in here. Give me a second, guys, because it's kind of difficult to do. You know what, let me try. And then you snap it in, alright? Soft close is push it, and it's automatically close on its own. There you go. So I did half overlay, which is half here, and did it flush on this side. I didn't want anything to spill and go inside, so I kind of flush on this side. So you open, and then I have one more shelf to go here, which I forgot to cut the groove yesterday. Where is that? Right here. So what I have to do now, I have to cut it. So it won't fit because of this. Alright guys, so I gotta cut it first, or take the door off. You see, you can go to the bottom. We can't go further because of the pipe. So what I gotta do, I gotta measure this. Alright, and then cut it so it goes all the way back. Alright, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna sit it inside for now. Yeah, so inside for now. And then that's it. So let me step back a little bit. Alright guys, so there you have it. The door is on. That is done. Welcome back guys to my channel. So finally installed the cupboards top, left it open. This is the first one I did, completed. This one is a soft close door. No, this is the top shelf for this. So cut it to fit there. But the thing is, I have to cut this maybe a 1/4 inch back because the door keeps hitting this, so it won't close. Unless I can always adjust it and pull it out. I'm gonna see if that works. I can always adjust it and pull it out, and then I'm gonna see, because if I close it this like this, you see it keep hitting that. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can adjust it, and then, you know what, let me try to do it right now. Alright guys, so this one's kind of different. It doesn't have the extended device where you can extend this, pull it out. So yeah, I'll have to cut this, and then that should be it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so I'm finally complete. Alright, like, share, comment, subscribe.